So another important topic is kinetic energy of photoelectron. Photoelectrons. So here when energy of incident photon, when energy of incident photon, here the energy of incident photon nothing but more this function is a work function is less than the this h mu. In this situation is absorbed by a free electron, is absorbed by a free electrons, observed by a free electron. It is used by electron in two parts. It is used by electron two types. So very first one, a part of energy is used by electron is doing work in ejection from the metal surface. A part of energy is used. Energy is used. So a part of energy is used by electron in doing work in ejection from the metal surface. Work in ejection from metal surface. So this is the first one. In second one. So here remaining part of energy is used by electron as kinetic energy after ejection. Remaining part of energy is used by electron as kinetic energy after ejection. So it means, let us consider this metal body. This is a metal body or metal surface. So here the photon incident, like this photon incident, this is a photon. So here this photon is a more than, this energy is a more than or equal to work function. This is a photon. Here the electron ejected. This electron energy is the kinetic energy. Here the kinetic energy, this maximum kinetic energy is equal to h mu minus work function. So this h mu is bigger than the work function. That's why here h mu minus 1. Here the some part is absorbed. So here the metal surface. Here the here the phi is absorbed. Remaining only ejected. It means here the h mu is equal to work function plus maximum kinetic energy. That maximum kinetic energy nothing but half mv maximum square. That should be is equal to work function plus half m into v maximum square. Here the half, here this one is half mv square we called here the maximum possible kinetic energy of photon electron, sorry, photo electrons after rejection. Here the maximum, which one is the maximum? Here the of mv maximum square is nothing but here the maximum, here the maximum possible energy, which energy? Here the kinetic energy of photo electrons after ejection, after ejection. Another important topic, distribution of kinetic energy of photoelectrons. So let us consider here the metal surface. Now let us consider this is a metal surface. Here the work function is equal to phi. Here the work function is equal to phi. Here the photon incident like this. This is a photon, or this one is a photon. Here the h mu is bigger than the work function. Here the some part absorbing on a remaining part, here a electron ejected. This electron ejected, here the kinetic energy is equal to h mu minus pi. Here this kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy. It means here the distribution what happened here, the metal nothing but free number of free electrons there. So that's why here the, so first incident this photon, so here some part absorbing and colliding on electron. Here this electron ejected from the surface to here the electron, and this electron moving and colliding neighboring electron, and this electron also moving like this. Here the colliding this electron. So this electron also colliding here the particle energy. So here the electron, this electron ejected from the metal surface. That kinetic energy, this electron kinetic energy, here the maximum kinetic energy, that should be is equal to h mu minus pi. Then only here the maximum kinetic energy, this electron coming out of the metal surface. This is a metal surface. Here the work function is equal to phi. It means here the, when a contribution of radiation beam of frequency mu, here the when a continuation radiation beam of frequency, mu, here the mu, here the, this mu is nothing but h mu bigger than the work function, is incident on metal, is incident on metal, is incident on metal surface, metal surface, on the metal surface, the ejected electron, from surface, the ejected electron from the metal surface, so have kinetic energy distribution between, have kinetic energy distribution between 0 to maximum, 0 to kinetic energy maximum. So in this situation, so kinetic energy maximum is equal to, here the kinetic energy maximum should be is equal to h mu minus work function, here the kinetic energy, maximum, so this distribution, here the kinetic energy maximum case, here the kinetic energy maximum should be is equal to h into mu minus work function. This distribution because this distribution is because electron ejected out may collide with same or some neighboring same neighboring electrons and lost some energy and lost some energy here the not same some neighboring electrons with some neighboring electron and lost some energy, it means here this is the metal surface, here the work function is 5, here the electrons, this is the photon, here the observing here the electron ejected in the surface here to here and moving and colliding neighboring electron, some neighboring electron, this one also moving like this, so here also moving like this, so this after some time this is the electron ejected from the metal surface. This electron energy is a maximum energy, that maximum energy is equal to, here the kinetic energy maximum is equal to h mu minus pi, here the h mu minus pi. This it means some part here observing, some part ejection, it means here some energy loss is there, So another important topic here, quantum efficiency of a metal surface. Efficiency nothing but output by input, divided by input. Simply I can say efficiency nothing but output by input. So here let us consider here this one is a metal surface. So here the work function is equal to pi. Here the number of photons incident, here the photon, this one h mu is bigger than work function, here is some electron ejected. Here the quantum efficiency, I would like to say here the formula directly. So here the quantum efficiency, here the quantum efficiency of a metal surface is equal to, denoted by letter eta, is equal to number of electron ejected, number of electron ejected divided by number of photons incident, number of photons incident. So if we want in percentage, multiply with 100. So number of electron ejected divided by number of photon incident into 100 we called here quantum efficiency of a metal surface. It means if may be possible that all photons in an incident radiation beam, so h mu is bigger than the work function, not ejected electrons from the surface, not ejected electron from the surface, metal surface. So here in general number of electrons ejected will be lag than the number of photons incident on surface, number of photons incident on the surface. So here if may be possible that all photons in an incident radiation beam h mu minus or more than the work function will not ejected electrons from the metal surface, electrons from surface. In general number of electrons ejected will be lag than the number of photons incident on surface, number of photons incident on the surface. That's why here efficiency occurs. That efficiency is equal to this in terms of percentage. So general formula, efficiency is equal to number of electron ejected by number of photons incident into 100, nothing but efficiency percentage. Here another important topic, quantum characteristics in photoelectric effect. Here the three characteristics is there. So one is no time lagging, another one is h mu is bigger than work function, another one is h mu is less than the work function. So these three cases very important. You may remember this theory problem, they will ask based on these three conditions. Theoretical problem they will ask based on these three points. So very first point here, the no time lag, no time lag exist in absorption, exist in absorption of absorption of a photon and ejected of electron, of photon and ejected or ejection of electron from metal surface, from metal surface. Now second one, here the if for incident radiation, if for incident radiation h mu is bigger than the work function in this situation, h mu is bigger than the work function, then each photon connect, then each photon connect most ejected one electron, or must ejected one electron only. So or must ejected electron only. So now third one, very very important, two or more less energetic photons, two or more energetic photon h mu is less than the work function can never combine an electron, can never combine an electron, can never combine an ejected an electron from the metal surface, these three characteristics very very important. Note down.